Check it, guys. Check it. Today, we are going to be reacting to the world's largest eagle. Bald eagle. I think. I don't know if it's bald eagle. But the world's largest eagle. Alright. So, shit, you feel me?
Eagles are birds of prey synonymous with strength, power, and tenacity. In the avian kingdom, eagles can be found at the very top of the food chain. They are very successful birds in terms of hunting down prey and weathering the harshest environmental conditions. These heavily built birds have attracted interest from scientists and researchers who study their unique adaptations and habitats. Today we're going to talk about the biggest and baddest eagle to have ever soared the skies. With all that said and done, let's begin, shall we? Number 10. The Verreaux's Eagle. With its striking black plumage, this large eagle is also known as the Black Eagle and is found in the sub-Saharan regions of southern and eastern Africa. Built very much like the golden eagle, the Verreaux's Eagle was named for the French ornithologist and botanist Jules Verreaux. The Verreaux's Eagle can measure up to 3 feet in length and will vary from about 30 inches up to 38 inches.
Bro, I want to be like fucking Sasuke, bro. When bro straight up. You heard? You know what I'm saying? Oh, fuck yeah. I want an eagle. I don't know if you can have a pet eagle. I don't know if that's a thing.
They have an impressive wingspan that can reach over 7 feet and are very capable and agile aviators. Males weigh on average between 6 to 10 pounds, while females average 7 to 13 pounds. They have dark eyes and a yellow and gray beak. Their feet are quite large and are about 20% larger than that of the golden eagle, even though the Verreaux's is slightly smaller than the golden. This is most likely due to the overall larger size of their prey, which requires larger feet and talons for carrying their victims. And speaking of prey, this eagle's favorite is the Hyrax. Although it's really not that picky of an eater, and will eat just about anything that it can get in its talons. Number 9. The African Martial Eagle. Martial eagles are the largest of the African eagles, and that size is not all for show. These large birds are incredibly powerful, capable of knocking an adult man off his feet. They reputedly have enough power in 1 foot to break a man's arm. The Martial Eagle weighs in at almost 14 pounds and has a wingspan of about 6 feet 4 inches. It is 32 inches long, but some have been caught that are even larger. The upper parts are dark brown with a white belly with black streaks. The legs are white and have very large talons. Birds form an important part of this eagle's diet, including guinea fowl, francolins, bustards, and poultry.
There's one simple hearing hack anyone can use to improve their hearing almost overnight.
What the fuck is this?
Did you know that hearing impairments have...
The White-tailed Sea Eagle. The white-tailed eagle is the largest bird of prey in the...
I think the biggest eagle in the world has to be the bald eagle, right? Hey, we'll see if I'm a fucking scientist in disguise, bro. Hold up.
UK. In flight, it has massive, long, broad wings with fingered ends. Its head protrudes and it has a short, wedge-shaped tail. The species actually went extinct in the UK in the early 20th century, but a successful captive breeding and release program have slowly brought the wild population to a more stable number. Females of this species are the heavyweights, often averaging around 43 inches in length and boasting a wingspan of 8 feet. It weighs around 11 pounds. White-tailed eagles are versatile and opportunistic hunters and carry-on feeders, sometimes pirating food from other birds and even otters. They eat largely fish, but also take various birds, rabbits, and hares. Number 7. The African Crowned Eagle. The crowned eagle is the most powerful bird.
In the world. That's why I'm here. To fucking know, boy. Let's see if
You've definitely seen and heard of before. It's certainly a large and majestic bird and looks so regal that it became the symbol of one of the most powerful countries in the world. Find out what it is next with number 2. The Bald Eagle. Bald eagles are large birds of prey native to North America. Since 1782, the bald eagle has been the United States' national emblem and mascot. The bald eagle isn't actually bald, but it does get its name because its white head against its dark brown body makes it seem bald from a distance. Bald eagles have a massive wingspread of about 7 feet, according to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. Their bodies are much smaller, though, at only 34 to 43 inches. Normally, bald eagles weigh 6.5 to 14 pounds. They can only be found in North America. For the most part, bald eagles live in forests that are near rivers, lakes, reservoirs, marshes, and coasts. Some also live near fish processing plants, dumps, and other areas where they can find food. Bald eagles are fish eagles. They're in this classification because their main food source is fish. They will also eat smaller birds, other birds' eggs, and small animals like rabbits, reptiles, amphibians, and crabs. Before we move on, do me a favor. My analytics show that only about 15% of you won. The Steller Sea Eagle. Often called the world's most magnificent bird of prey, the Steller Sea Eagle is dark, impressive, and the largest of all sea eagles. And the heaviest known eagle of all. Despite its large size and attractive appearance, its habitats are not well known. What we do know is the fact that they are the largest eagles in the world, averaging a wingspan of 8 feet and weighing around 20 pounds. These eagles are believed to breed only in far eastern Russia, along the coast and surrounding islands of the Sea of Okhotsk and Bering Sea. They are most common in the Kamchatka Peninsula. They are mostly fishers, diving and catch a fish that is too heavy for them to fly away, they will swim all the way back to the shore. They have a pouch in their chest called a crop, and that crop is a sort of waiting area for the stomach. The crop is a sort of waiting area for the stomach. If the stomach is already full, any additional intake of food is stored in the crop until...
Okay, the video's over anyway. How do they, like... Fuck was I gonna say? Fuck. How do they dive? Like, I can't catch a fish on a hook with the worm on it. How are these bald eagles flying from the sky and grabbing these fish? I just spit everywhere. Like, how do they have? I guess that's why they call it eagle eye, because they can see fucking feet away. But this shit is fucking. This shit is a diving into the water. And just grabbing these fish, and I can't catch one on a hook. That's pretty impressive, if I might say. Hey guys, that's it for this video. Bye bye.